Hey there, dessert lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Kraystar Flavor King, where we bring you the most delightful and unique recipes to tantalize your taste buds. Today, I've got a treat for you that's gonna blow your mind. Pineapple RumChata Shortcakes made in a slow cooker. Yes, you heard that right, a slow cooker. This dessert is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make, so let's dive right in and get started. First up, the ingredients. You'll be amazed at how simple they are. You'll need 1 cups all-purpose flour. Make sure to measure it accurately for the best results. Next, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These will give our shortcakes the perfect sweetness and rise. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt, it enhances all the flavors, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This will help with the texture. Mix those dry ingredients together in a large bowl until they're well combined. Next, grab a 1/3 cup of cold butter and cut it in until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. This step is crucial for that flaky texture we all love in shortcakes. In another bowl, whisk together 1 large room temperature egg. This helps the batter come together smoothly. Add 3/4 cup of sour cream. It adds a lovely tang and moisture to the shortcakes. And don't forget 3 tablespoons of RumChata liqueur. This is what makes our shortcakes extra special with a hint of cinnamon and vanilla. Once that's nice and combined, add it to your dry mixture. This is where the magic starts to happen. Stir it all up just until it's moistened. Be careful not to overmix or you'll end up with tough shortcakes. Now here's the fun part. We're going to cook these in jars. Spoon that mixture into 6 greased half-pint jars. This not only looks adorable but also makes serving a breeze. Make sure to center the lids on the jars and screw on the bands until they're fingertip tight. This ensures they cook evenly. Place these jars in a 6 or 7 quart oval slow cooker and add enough hot water to reach halfway up the jars, about 5 cups. This water bath will help them cook gently and evenly. Cover it up and cook on high for 2 to 2 hours, or until a toothpick comes out clean. The anticipation is worth it. While our shortcakes are cooking, let's make the topping. Fresh pineapple is the star here. Combine 1½ cups of fresh pineapple cut into 1/2-inch pieces, 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will macerate the pineapple, making it juicy and sweet. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of RumChata, adjust to your taste preference, and a teaspoon of grated lime zest. This adds a zesty kick that complements the pineapple beautifully. Pop that in the fridge for at least an hour. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Once the shortcakes are done, take the jars out of the slow cooker and let them cool completely on wire racks. Patience is key here. In a large bowl, beat 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream until it starts to thicken. This will be our luscious topping. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and continue beating until you get soft peaks. This means the cream holds its shape, but is still soft and smooth. Now for the final assembly. This is where it all comes together. Top each cooled shortcake with the pineapple mixture. The freshness of the pineapple is a perfect contrast to the rich shortcake. Add a dollop of whipped cream. This adds a creamy, dreamy element to our dessert. And if you're feeling fancy, a thin slice of lime. It's the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it. Pineapple RumChata Shortcakes. A dessert that's as beautiful as it is delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. For the full recipe and backstory, check out the description below. We've got all the details you need to recreate this at home. Thanks for watching and enjoy your deliciously different dessert. We hope it brings a little extra joy to your day. Catch you next time, right here on Kraystar Flavor King. Until then, happy cooking and even happier eating.